Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not letting you log in. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our TikTok app right here. And the first thing that we're going to make sure is that you are on the login page instead of the sign up page. So this is what the sign up page looks like. It says sign up for TikTok above. And you should just click on this login option at the bottom part of the screen since you already have an account and you're trying to log into that. Just click on login and make sure to choose any of these options depending on the account, depending on which platform you use, or if you just use your phone, email, just type in your phone or your email if you use that to sign up for your account. Now, if you have logged in through this page and it's still not working, make sure that your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection is stable. So just swipe down through the control center from the top right part of the screen and make sure also that you're not on airplane mode, because that might be the reason why you are not logged into TikTok. So if that still does not work and your Wi-Fi connection is working but it does not let you log into TikTok, let's just go ahead and open up our app store right here, or your Play Store if you have an Android. And what we're going to do is to check if our TikTok app is up to date. So just search for TikTok. Let's click on the TikTok page, and as you can see, it shows an update button. So if it shows up for you too, just click on the update button so that you will have the latest version and will hopefully solve this issue. However, if that says open, that means that your TikTok is currently up to date. And if that still does not work, you can just go to Safari or any browser you have and search if TikTok is down. So I'm just going to type in TikTok down detector, because this can be the reason why you are not being able to log in to TikTok, and just scroll through the page if many users have reported that TikTok is down, and it might be the reason why you are not able to log in. So that is how you can basically fix TikTok not letting you log in. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.